Injective met our target out of this bullish divergence over here at the golden pocket. We were calling for some weeks, even as we were up here before this dump off for that $8 price tag. Price came up to there. We came back down to test this previous resistance as support on the 0.5 fib at $7.34, and with that confirming that area of previous resistance, now support, having another go to see if we can actually push through to that $8.75 area, which I did also speak about in the past, suggesting that a break of this would send us up to there. But please understand that at the moment we got that lower high, so this is suggesting a failure of breaking the high and heading up into that price point. So if we're not going up, we're going down, back down to the range low, which so happens to be the 0.5 Fibonacci, which we flip this resistance over here into support. So we need to see this continue to hold for bullish momentum to get another chance at making that higher high above this and heading up to that price. However, with this lower high, the expectation now is that we come back down to $7.34, and the loss of $7.34, which would also be the 200 EMA, would be flipping this trend from bullish to bearish on the 4-hour time frame. And so you would then suggest that price is going to at least come back down to the last low that it formed. So this is the low we're going to lose, form that lower low and hunt down for this one down at around the price of $7, let's just say, giving this area $6.90 to $7 over here as our next target out of this potential double top pattern, which becomes valid on the loss of the 0.5 and the 200 4-hour EMA. That's it from me today for this Injective update. If you want me to teach you how to do this and how to take a trade that is potentially going to give us a return of 5% without leverage, of course, I'll teach you how to place leverage, all the criteria needed, whether you would take this trade or not. The checklist that I'm giving you is going to give you the exact points to look out for in order to take a trade. And if they don't fall in line with the checklist, we're not taking that trade. We're trying to protect our account at all costs, and by doing so, we're going to make money out of that. So protect, and with that, make money. Trade less, win more. Trade less, lose less. You understand that? The more trades you take, every single one's potentially a loss. So the less you take, the more likely you're going to not lose and the more likely you're going to win. And with this specific criteria, which I will go over in the one-to-one mentorships, in the group mentorships, if you're part of that Discord community weekly, then I'm going to teach you those exact entries and exits so you can profit completely on your own and become a self-sufficient trader. Now, it might take some time, but I'm here to guide you through that and 10x your learning curve. So if that's something that is of interest of you, there's multiple options. The course to do in your own time, the group chat to jump into those weekly group calls and look into those future investments, or doing the one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes what I've just said, totally for free in the price, as well as 5 to 10 hours of my one-to-one help until you get the stuff. So you've got it all noted down to go ahead and do it in your own time as the days and weeks and years go by. Cheers.